It's February. It's gonna get cold again. This is the best winter sport I've ever seen this year. That's spotting. Spotting was really fun. Well, this is more fun, so. Actually, but you know what I mean.
Yes, the big guy. Come on.
It's really not that cold out here.
Careful. You pop out.
No coat.
No,
40 degrees. Woo!
See if we can see our little Zoe. Where is she? Behind the swing set.
Zoe!
Stop.
Don't shoot anything.
Stay over there.
Don't shoot anything.
Stay over there. Dang, wait, can I let James get this?
No.
Against the bullet wall.
Against the wood.
Is it better out here?
You gotta walk over.